Yo, good afternoon. Welcome back to my new vlog. And as always, I am starting today's vlog after my school meals. It is 2:30 of afternoon, and also I have eaten my lunch. And now I am wasting my time by sitting here and scrolling the reels. But I do not have a problem in wasting my time because I am a bit, means you can say a little, I have covered a little more syllabus than our teachers, so I can afford to waste some time, means some 10-15 minutes. And also I first look at the outside weather, means it is darker than, more than darker, means I cannot see a light from here. दिल्ली में देखो सावन लग चुके हैंगे और बाहर का वेदर पूरा का पूरा काले काले बादलों से घिरा हुआ हैगा. ये सब छोड़ो, आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाय सम प्रोटीन फॉर माई सेल्फ, मीन्स माई ब्रदर हैज सेड टू buy some protein for me, and he has said now and he will buy me the protein after 6 to 7 months, which I know that, but I was searching for it, the best protein on YouTube, and I have got some protein names, and also you can suggest me some proteins in the comment section. I am going to buy the 3001 protein, which is of 1 kg. And also let me tell you guys the name of the protein which I am going to tell my brother to buy it for me. Okay, so the protein which I am going to buy, his name is Muscle Blaze, means it I had shown it on YouTube, and everybody is saying that the powder of Muscle Blaze is at second trending. So I do not have a knowledge of protein, so I am also going to ask from my coach to so what protein to buy, and as he will say, we'll buy from his recommendations. But okay, so guys, now I am ready to go to stadium, and today is Wednesday, and also the goddess with us, means I want to tell you guys a miracle which happened with me a few moments ago. Means the weather was quite dark when I had a thought to go to stadium. Then I think that today let's not go today, and we'll practice at our home today. But no, the God had other plans, and the weather changed, means it changed in a few minutes from darkness to light, means the sun is shining above. And you can say that it's our fate, or you can say it's unlucky also, because the weather will now get humid because it rained in the morning, and also the sun has risen, so the weather will be now hot, and the atmosphere is humid, so we'll have some difficulty in doing today's running. But now let's not take it in a wrong way, let's take in the right way, and let's take it as our opportunity to run today, and to also make up ourselves for the state medal. And today we have a I forgot what was in our schedule for 1500 meters race for today, so let's check it out first, and then okay, so it has turned to 3:30, and I will start to get ready at 3:33. Okay, I have decided it's time to get started for today's running, so let's not waste any time. And I was listening a few songs for motivation, because it is quite good to run while singing songs, means it gives motivation. You all guys know why I am telling so. Yes, I am telling true. You can see the sun shining. And okay, so guys, we came a bit earlier today, means it's only 8 p.m. of evening, means we have came earlier today. And also the weather didn't change a little also, because as I had told you guys that the sun is shining above, as I had told you guys that the sun has shining above, and the weather remained the same till 7, and now it's 8, and it's now darker outside. And Also, I have to tell you guys something that our AC is not working. Means the AC when I had turned it on last night, it didn't turn on, and also in the afternoon when I turned it on and I was using it, it turned off automatically, and the switch was not working at all. But I think that it's only a voltage mistake. But by the evening it was confirmed that our AC's health is not good, so we are not able to use it. And also the mechanic is saying that we had called to Hitachi, and the mechanic is saying that he will cost a little to come over and check, and the supplies which the AC will need now to work properly will be charged accordingly. And also the means the mechanic is too expensive, so we can't afford it. So we are going to hire someone from our neighborhood who has a little knowledge of electricity. Okay, so our poor AC do not have capacity to run, and we are not able to use it. And see what my mom has bought, and we have to go and keep it in the upper room now. And also it's the evening time, so it's the shopping time for my mom. And now let's go to keep it in the upper room. And also the means you, as you guys can see, the lights are turned off as the rain is happening in Delhi from few days. And also in the rain few fireflies, what you can call pankhi in the roaming outside. And if they will see the light turned on, means they are attracted to light, and if they will see it turned on, they will attach to it and then stick to the light, and then it will be a great difficulty for me to make them out of the house. So we have just turned off the lights so that they all are out, and also the outer one is not coming inside, and whosoever is inside will go out. Hope you understand. And look, we had tried to repair it ourselves, and what my brother has did to our AC, means the AC's condition is not good at all. And also we have removed the fuse, but it didn't solve the problem. So we have, it is final that we will hire a mechanic. उसको छेड़ो मत, भाई ने मैकेनिक को फ़ोन किया है, वो तो बोल के गया कि कमरे की साफ सफाई कर, मैकेनिक आ रहा है थोड़ी देर में. हाँ,
क्या फोन बाहर गया
क्या ऊपर नहीं है? हाँ,
थोड़ा एक आएगा. ठीक आज कैसे लगी थी? एक ऊपर एक नीचे. दवाई देखो, दवाई नहीं.
इसको तुम पकड़ के कर रहे हो यहाँ पे. पकड़ ली पेंसिल, नीचे से चीटा लाल होता है.
आंखें देख, ये उसकी आंखें दिख रही, देख उसकी आंखें।
आंखें होती है चीटे की। कितना बड़ा है ना ये चीटा।
देख,
गीला क्यों है ये?
ऐसे गिला होती है।
भाई वो बंदा आया सीधे 500 रुपये लेगा वो तो आने के लिए वो क्या उसमें तो चार्ज नहीं इसी वाले को चार्ज है
नहीं है बाबू, गारंटी आ गया, गारंटी में ना ले।
अरे मेरी गारंटी एक साल
बड़ा
की
बहुत
है।
ले रहा है। ना लेते, 10-15 साल की गारंटी होती है।
बंदे को फोन करता हूँ, आ जाएगा। अरे मम्मी उनकी कंपनी में
500 में लेगा, 100 रुपए तक लेगा।
कंपनी वाला आएगा 100 रुपये लेगा इसकी
हम तो
अभी
नहीं
फोन मिला
लेगा।
देगा फोन मिला देगा देखो मिला
हाँ, तो फिर और
देगा
किसी से कराना, फूक देगा, फिर वो खराब करके इधर उधर लगा देगा।
अरे यार मैं सुनती हूँ तो चाहिए तो क्या बोला इसके अंदर दिक्कत हो गई इसके अंदर दिक्कत हो इसके अंदर दिक्कत हो
उसका भाव तो वो देख लेगा ना खोल के।
अरे भाई तो करवा नहीं ले
खोल के देख लेगा, लगा देगा।
उसका काम होता है इसी का, कंपनी वाले भी तो बाहर ही करते हैं काम, उनको तो
और
कंपनी
कैसे देख, कितने बजे आएगा?
100 रुपये दे जाओ
दिया ना अभी?
देगा
ये सारा सामान देखो यहाँ फेंक दिया। पेन नीचे फेंक दी, टेबल गया वहाँ, गिरा दी भैया MC। चल गया भाई। अभी अभी तो चला था, बंद कर दिया तुमने? कैसे हुआ ये ठीक? AC तो देखो चल गया, लेकिन उधर बोर्ड में दिक्कत आएगी कुछ, कल देखेंगे उसका काम। Oh, finally our AC is good now and today we will be getting a good sleep than the previous day because भाई AC नहीं चलता है तो देखो सच बता रहा हूँ, जिसकी आदत पड़ गई ना AC में सोने की उसको नींद नहीं आएगी बिना AC की। तो AC जो है अपना ठीक हो चुका हैगा और आज जो है बढ़िया नींद आएगी, लेकिन यार पता नहीं कि मैं ठंडा पानी पी लिया रनिंग करके आके और काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है जुकाम सा लग रहेगा। तो कल जो स्कूल जाते हुए जुकाम ना हो जाए, और आज जो स्कूल से आते हुए भीग गया था, जाते हुए भी भीग गया था, तो दोनों समय का पानी जो है सूखा पूरे शरीर में, तो उस वजह से शायद नाक बहने लग गई हैगी। थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कत हो चुकी है, लेकिन अभी मैं देखो रात में फिर से सो जाऊँगा AC चला के, तो हो सकता है कल जो है जुकाम हो जाए मेरी। तो छोड़ो ना, जुकाम होगा दवाई खा के ठीक हो जाएंगे, वो छोड़ो। मैं आज का व्लॉग करता हूँ यहीं पे एंड, और होप करता हूँ ऑल गाइस लाइक माय टुडेज व्लॉग, एंड इफ यू गाइस लाइक इट प्लीज डू subscribe and also hit the like button which increases my motivation, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section, any tip or any suggestion for my protein, and also any tips for my running. So I am ending today's vlog right here. Bye bye.